Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about what is known as percent error. So what is percent error? It is just the amount of error divided by the actual amount. It's just this simple equation here at the top in white. So let's look at one example. Let's apply this percent error equation to answer the question. It says, in a trivia game, you are asked how many outs are recorded in a full 9-inning baseball game. If the percent error of your answer is at most 5%, you earn 5 points. If the percent error of your answer is at most 10%, but greater than 5%, you earn 3 points. Your guess is there are 50 outs. The correct answer is 54 outs. How many points did you earn? So a little bit of context here. A full 9-inning baseball game. So let's assume that we play 9 innings. The home team and the away team both get all full 9-inning at-bats. So essentially, if you know anything about baseball, if the home team is winning after the top of the ninth, then there's no reason for them to bat in the bottom of the ninth, so there would actually be 3 less outs in that situation. So when we say a full 9-inning baseball game, let's assume the home team is not winning, so we are playing the bottom of the ninth. So there are 3 outs per inning. That would be 27 outs per side. 27 times 2, that's where we get 54 outs. But you guessed 50 outs, which is a good guess because if you think about it, most likely, if it's a full game, it should be an even number of outs, right? Because if each side gets an odd number, well, odd and odd is going to give us an even. And if each side gets an even number, then it's going to give us an even number as well. So a good guess here at 50 outs, but we're 4 off. Okay, so now what is our amount of error? Well, there are 54 outs. We guessed 50, and the actual amount is 54. So this would be 4 divided by 54. So when we do this, it's going to give us approximately 0.074. so on and so forth. Okay, so now this is our decimal. Let's write it as a percentage by moving the decimal twice to the right. So we're going to say this is about 7.4%. Now it says if our percent error is at most 5, we earn 5 points. So are we going to earn 5 points with our guess of 50 outs? No, sadly we are not. However, our percent error is between 10 and 5, right? So we will earn actually 3 points with this guess. Okay, so 3 points. Our percent error was 7.4%, and that is how you can use percent error.